So you want to upgrade your computer, but you don't know how. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your graphics card. So first, turn off your computer and unplug it. Press the power button to kill any residual power left in the computer. And if you don't see any lights, unscrew the side panel. Sometimes there's a bottom screw there, but this case doesn't have one, and just yank it off or pull on its side. And toss it wherever. Alright. Well, first you want a screwdriver, preferably small, and the actual card itself. This is a PCIe cover slot. It usually covers your PCIe slots, and you have to remove it before changing out your graphics card. There are also screws holding in your graphics card. Make sure to remove those screws before yanking out your graphics card. Usually, your graphics card has a power connection. Unless your name starts with Nate, then your graphics card sometimes doesn't have a power connection to it. Side note, there is a clip on the power connector. Make sure to press on it before pulling. There is also another clip on the motherboard itself. Use a screwdriver or your fingers, if you feel like damaging your computer, to unclip it. Sometimes your computer doesn't always have the connections for the socket on these components. Make sure your power supply has an 8-pin connector, or 6-pin. As you can see, there's a cable preventing me from putting the card in. Make sure there's nothing blocking the connection between the card. Make sure to screw the graphics card down, or else you will end up with a saggy graphics card, which will cause problems in the future. And just remember to put that side panel back on. And I'm trying to do it with one hand. And make sure to install drivers. This may vary card to card, but it's all the same. Just go to their official website and click drivers. That's it.